right from the beginning what takrade. Now I was there right from the beginning. Because naturally no minwa. We a flag bearer now wo. Na Bawumia ba na ono na o flag bearer nti ono na nipa na bebo agye ne so. Na ebo gye ne so a. Now so wo ho a obe feel say just about me popular. But me organize me for, and I say me cheater for so be organize me for. That's what started happening from day one. In the ordinary thank you turn, flag bearer appropriate no, Dane thank you turn into a popularity contest. So do we did it? Nana you call we wo breakum. No regional chairman. Ono so ni region ni aba. Ono be ma kwaba. Nsema okikan ye no. Obi so far they say kasentwi ono na ye twi no ti ono so tutu bi say na munyam ho emedi. That was the news. Thank you to onukra dey yi to eche satan kra na flag bearer no ba kum bi enu bi kra ba be ka ho anya news. The news didn't clash e ba wo breakum over flag bearer and na ye na ekodu bantama ho de one dey see flag bearer pre-print in ki eku party ni one second now weti na say regional chairman ba ko yoko economic and omochi no edotom kuku bela ye kwa organizer ma sa regional chairman so nim see ebinum say flag bearer insensem de no kokoji tie say we no wa ha nti oya arrangement we call ye yamana anye na we buy ye man no ye later hu so musu nya so de kana say ebi na me koji we flag bearer apre nka bail in so de then we showmanship bail for a regional chairman then a flag apre now when I'm call me na mitimi me papers in I think now we buy na wo kokoji sika na etwa usika do so pose na wo de kofa hanas if it is na yen declare you know and edin papa mu eba party na ebi say your party there u free ha yen to aba ma wo sa esum we a yen to aba ma so what it is answer nya yen declare upon right from the beginning you know aye wa rehu ma senka yetimi yen hihye na rehu no corner yetimi kan ho bom. This is what is happening. Division. Thank you to division. Bail division. And it's going to continue. Religion, division. Tribe, division. All from flag bearer. Giving the party a national front. And there we are. Akomeah. Ultimately, do say subu say NPP no. Yeah, account for party. Yeah, quite so no. Oye Muslimuni. Party no party ya kon said your opponents so the embe share to ebi mu say ye no yeah account party. Na ya kwa over the years na ye yisa de free ho na okotie nipa ni bia almost signed the yakop back into South Twenum say an NPP there free her and ansumbo ya oni chefa how but Bawumia no ko I mean person be no campaign for Bawumia cause you didn't know frame but Bawumia no ko primaries two primaries so no kwa na Muslim. The first primary super delegates he won. The main primary delegates in here, he won. Out of 10, on can another Muslim. And you nipa party for at two levels, the National Council level and the delegates level. Ya two abamano. Ya then now can say party for the same party for now because we are Muslim. There are many places. Nipa na ejina party na name as parliamentary candidates. I'm a Christian, but me anya vote channel. Ebi o Kumasi, ebi o Ashanti, ebi o a Western region. But me anya vote channel. Ebi kwa ya suffer. Now so the party do Christo kwa na mo pair. And go be o your suffer. The constituency no. But me o Muslim nya more votes every NPP for. I the S3. Na me yare ni say me nwa. So this ade si una so na e campaign na wo ye ni. Say wenum de omoni chefan wo party no. Ufri who party into emba abama usumwe ya into abama. O this campaign one o say party no. But two one kasa embo because ye ko you any party was say be ko you say una bedi flag bearer. O be den na wetimi akose nipa na usubuni chefan so ko campaign. Nti one kasa no apart from say we divide the party no. One kasa embo nti Enipa no mo yesa no omo nchai. Hwe enipa ya ebe. Me say me kujina me fata. But me support Bawumia ntina me man kwan kujina. Na as to the loss there, my country say Kobi ya yen hihye mu ana wo dey yi okwe committee in free economics intelligence unit. Some yen hihye mu.
Yes.
I'm can say be din kugo because of the hardships and the economic situation and the social situation. Ana flag bearer back one can say election na yekoya 2024 no. Ye lose sa election no 2022. Sort here. 2022 na Bawumia flag bearer.
No a vice president.
Yeah. Nti and Tasum, because at that time he wasn't flag bearer. Mo amo see 2022. And ye nyani see Ghana 2022. The city, COVID, taxes, Nyama, we all know. Into year no free wa ye rare friend Musa Dankwa, who has proven the research now has proven to be the most accurate. Some say research. What does he say about the loss? None of them mentions Bawumia as a major factor. Me support Bawumia and yes, or no ye nipa chain.
Oma
kaninya ye nipa omo ye party akukudam.
Yes.
Oma tina party mu ache. Oma boa party mu ukase bo party for di abebo mu din. Nti omu nya fata. The only difference is between Papa Akope. Number one, Bakope between. Number two, Eniswadie hunu. Na me feel say Bawumia Eniswadie hunu odi atudwa. Eno Thomasum echen we Eniswadie hunu. Eno just say we Eniswadie hunu ya papa. But me the way dey na Thomasum. That's all. Cause share we Eniswadie hunu.
You've not listened to their vision. One for the party and for Ghana.
Say your elections 2023.
Yes. Yeah, but I won't see a Duchum vision, won't say Brian Agyapong vision, won't say Patrick Bawumia vision. Yes.
Okay, I
think Dr. Bawumia raises the idea and say, in my party, would you be about first time on winning? And when we need a party for the sign, the neighbor you.
Okay.
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong rebutted that claim, said it didn't happen with Professor Edubuahe, and because of the performance in 92, party for Antoine so in 96. Omudio before from office on bit my baby to me amawono. Ena ebae.
Edubuahe otoso ahe.
Ewo elections name.
Now when Dinkno otoso ahe.
And number 2.
Yeah, number 2. Na intimi who sena. But how many flag bearer elections the NPP are? Yeah, ye be 92, 96, 2000. 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, 2009 flag bearer elections. 8 nipa niya call more than 1. Meboa. Nti sa argument enko bebia. So how do you take 1 out of 9 to be the norm? How do you take 1 flag bearer out of 9 flag bearers? All the flag bearers are mobile, they been called 3 times. Oko NDC Mukrasa, males occur how many times? So once is the truth, and I'm to say I'm can say na Edubuahe no nomsi dempo I'm say tempo no mo kan say onti yama no ya repeating. Hwe unim me satan na me ne afika kra tina me de party na chi me ma dwen no nenti Edubuahe ni wa yansan to abanas flag bearer na say ya twi elections no
yes
na 4 years na yem fem ba 2 years but otherwise and Edubuahe no so no say that time nim say that time na wo deposit chair na ne ho and shut down to do no sa time no
na ne ho to do no mum like na ne ho shut down fa
na ne ho shut down fa no sa time but sana makan ya flag bearer elections 8 out of 9 will be a call more than 1 including NDC Mills called 3 times John Mahama even as sitting president Olusuye I was about twice Anambwa.
Yes.
It will call NDC, will call NPP. The record name support too.
So Europe and America. Now say this guy area Ghana and Kwade. We send wave money transfer app nebetimi abuab. So we send the ediagu mobile money wallet so and our bank account so ubetimi use app we edi asende. I wish a network be easy be as ubetimi edi asende. So now first transaction no ubenya $20 free. The answer will be easy a promo code JSXM2 JXXM2 we use our promo code or first transaction pay and I'll be $20 free.